Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to the new video of how to speak English confidently and fluently, how to speak English like native speaker. Everyone can speak in English, but what is the difference between an advanced English speaker or a beginner? Confidence, the difference is confidence and fluency. How these will develop? These just not develop in just one night. This will develop by the consistent practice, by consistency in reading. Yes, whenever you see a person, those who are advanced English speaker or someone while giving their speech in English, so there is a difference in their lifestyle. A beginner just learning the vocabulary and speaking, but what an advanced learner or advanced speaker does, he read English newspaper every day. He listen English media at least 45 to 1 hour every day. And he even speak English with the live people. But what the beginner does, beginner learn the vocabulary. They also listen sometimes English news channels or read sometime but not regularly or speak in front of mirror. But the difference is very high between beginner and the advanced English speaker. If you want to speak English like the advanced English speakers, so you have to do the same thing. You have to be you have to do hard work with consistency. You have to read English newspaper every day. You have to listen English media every day. You have to speak with the people in English, those who can understand. But I'm here to help you in your vocabulary as well as other exercises. So let's start today's video with some advanced English words. So we have the word for the day is beget. Beget. Be you can pronounce also beget. Give birth, to create, to lead. Now I will make a sentence. Those who lie should be creative and have good memories, since one lie often begets. Belabor. Belabor. Go over repeatedly or to an absurd extent. For more than an hour, the boring speaker belabored his point about the challenge of foreign competition. Belaguer. To surround, to besiege, to harass. No one could have the beleaguered city. The attacking army had closed off all the exits. Believe. False impression, to contradict. Melvin's smile belied the grief he was feeling. Despite his happy expression, he was terrible sad inside. Be little. To make to seem little, to put someone down. We worked hard to put out the fire. Okay. I have another words also. Belligerent. Combative, quarrelsome. A bully is belligerent. To be belligerent is to push other people around. Bemused. Bemused. Confused, bewildered. To muse is to think about or ponder things. To be bemused. Benefactor. One who provides help, especially in the form of a gift or donation. Now the time for sentence. To give benefit is to be benefactor. To receive benefits is to be a beneficiary. Benevolent. Kind, doing good deeds. Giving money to the poor is a benevolent act. Benign. Not harmful, kind, mild. Betty has a benign personality. She is not all unpleasant to be with. So we have completed the word for the day. Now I would like to tell you what are the opportunities you can achieve after learning English or improving your English speaking. You can get a job in corporate sector or in MNC if you are good in communication skills, because English is very important if you want to do a job in MNC companies. You can go for overseas studies in Canada or Australia. I would like to tell you, if you want to go for overseas studies in Canada, in any public university, University of Calgary, University of Saskatchewan, University of Toronto, wherever you want to go. But you need to work hard on your basic English skills. Only then you can qualify IELTS examination. Yes, the students, those who want to go for overseas studies in Canada, they need to qualify IELTS examination. Or if you want to go for Australia in the South Pole or in New Zealand, these are the also a good country for overseas studies. basically for the hotel management courses, MBA courses, and the other courses also. So again, you need to qualify TOEFL examination, which is again English language test, because those people who are the non-native countries, they need to qualify these language tests. These language tests are very easy, but for them, those who can understand in English, those who can speak in English. So if you are good on your basics, it means reading exercise, listening English, and speaking and vocabulary. Because when you have the power of vocabulary, when you have the knowledge of vocabulary, only then you can speak English more and more. That is why I have told you in my videos that read English every day. You can read newspaper, a book, or a magazine, whatever you like. I basically prefer a newspaper, which is very good. I got all the news from the newspaper, even some advanced words also. So I believe that you should also follow these simple steps. But the one simple step is that think in your mind that you can speak in English. This positive attitude is required. If you really want to speak in English, you have to think that you can speak in English, and definitely you will going to speak in English. Whatever you will think about yourself, people will think same. So think, feel good about yourself, think good about yourself, and people will feel the same. So I hope you liked the video of today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.